Yo, what's up, everybody? Thank you very much for checking on us. I'm pretty much excited today because this week we are killing the market, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we are about 300 plus pips on all of our setup. So far, so good. We don't have any negative trade. So what I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to be showing exactly what I was seeing in the market before we get into this trade, and now we are about 300 pips in profit. You know what I'm saying? So right now, let me just show you, and we are about 1.2k in profit. Let me just show you how much we are currently making, and what are those pairs that we took the trade on. You know what I'm saying? So right now, these are the trade that we took on Monday, and I don't know if you can see that, but I will try and make it to focus on it so that you know exactly how much we are making. But anyhow, it is. I will try and show it on screen, so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So right now we are on GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP CHF, and Euro JPY, AUD JPY, Euro GBP. Those are trades that we are currently in, and on GBP USD we are 168 pips, GBP JPY 127 pips, and Euro JPY 9 pips. Then Euro GBP, we are killing it. We are about 47 pips on that. Then AUD JPY, we are about 12 pips on it. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I was seeing in the market before we are able to make this particular profit, because right now we are 1.1k in profit, and as you can see, it is a real account. It is a real account, live account. You know what I'm saying? So very soon, let's head over to my desktop so I can show you exactly what I was seeing in the market. Oh yeah, so here we go now on my desktop, and thank you very much for staying with us. And so this is GBP USD. Now we took this trade on Monday, and right now it is still going to the upside, and we are expected to take our profit right here. But let's see where this market will go. And if you want to just be getting setups like this from me, this trade that you see right here, I send it to my free channel and as well as to my students as well. So right now, if you want to just be getting a trade like this, you gotta join free channel. We have Telegram channel as well, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So right now, this is the GBP USD. But before then, let me show you when I send this trade, to my free Telegram channel. As you can see, this is the free Telegram channel, and let me go to photos so I can show you exactly when I send this. As you can see, this was the analysis for GBP USD. This GBP USD 4 hours time frame. This is when we get into the trade, and as you can see, I say GBP USD H4 time frame. The market structure is going to the upside, and I'm expecting market to continue buying. Wait for a buy signal. So that's the reason why I send this buy to our free channel as well. Then let me show you GBP JPY as well, because we took the trade on GBP JPY. So this GBP JPY as well, H4 time frame, it is same with GBP USD. So this was the analysis when I sent the the buy signal for it. Right now, let's go to trading view so I can just show you GBP JPY as well. This is GBP USD, then GBP JPY. So that you know exactly what I'm saying, and you will see that I've already sent it to the channel. So this is GBP JPY now, and as you can see, GBP JPY is just a little bit away from our take profit hit. So these are the trade that we are in as of now. So right now, I'm going to be explaining to you what exactly I was seeing in this market. So on GBP JPY, I did my analysis by putting my support and resistance level, because me personally, I like to do my analysis on 4 hour time frame. I don't use a 1 hour or any smaller time frame for the analysis. What I do is, as you can see, this is the lowest price possible reaches this level. Then this was my kind of when the market was kind of choppy. These are my support and resistance levels. Then there's a way that I put a trend line right from the top to the bottom. This is where I put this trend line, and so this was it, and this was it as well. So this was the trend line, and what I saw in this market was a breakout of this trend line, because as you can see, the market structure was kind of going to the downside, making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But right here, we spot out some kind of changes in the market, making a lower high move. Then the market supposed to go down for lower low. Right from here, the market supposed to go down for lower low like this to the downside. But the market couldn't make that kind of move. Instead, the market went up for lower high to this point, came down for retracement, a higher low. So the market couldn't make her move to the downside, making a lower low. So instead, the market started going to the upside. Then I'm expecting a move to the upside like this. But so other than that, I spot out this candle right here. As you can see, this is a hanging man, and this was a doji. So as I see these kind of price action signals, because my students should be able to know exactly how to trade this kind of setup whenever time you see it in the market. Because I do explain to them step by step of how they can trade whenever time they spot out this kind of candlestick patterns in the market. I show them everything that they have to know about this kind of setup. So as you can see right now, the whole trade is this is 183 pips if this our take profit hits. You know what I'm saying? So I spot out the price action, and plot in my support and resistance level, also my trend line. So there's not much secret behind it or something very big, very big. Once you are able to know exactly how to trade this kind of handyman and doji in the market, you should be able to be profitable in forex. So that's for GBP JPY. Then let's go down to GBP USD, so I can just explain a little bit what I was seeing in the market before I took the trade. This is GBP USD as well. It is similar to GBP JPY. This kind of setup, you can trade them anyhow you want, whenever time you are trading it. So okay, this is where we took the trade right here, right? I shifted it. This is where we took it, and we took it based on the fact that this was a hanging man, and this is what I saw in the market. That's where we took the trade to the upside. So I just explained it on GBP. The thing is, once you are able to plot your support and resistance levels accurately, when you get it wrong, that's where the market might turn against you, or you might not be profitable in the market. So me personally, I already know what exactly I'm doing, because I've been trading for about 2 years, 3 years now, was profitable in this market for 2 years. So I know exactly what I'm saying. And when I say something, at least take action and back test it, so that you confirm it yourself if it is working or if it is not working. But me personally, it does work out for me, and as well as my students as well. So that's the reason behind this GBP USD. So we are already in GBP CHF as well, but let me show you what I was seeing. As you can see on GBP CHF, I do my analysis, do everything, support and resistance as well. And I just combine all this kind of setup with price action part of it. Once you are able to do this, as you can see, I'm having this left shoulder, right shoulder, and head. This is an inverted head and shoulder on GBP CHF. So I'm expecting this market to buy to this point. Then we'll take about 147 pips on this trade. So if you are if you are watching this video, because the trade is not it didn't go to anywhere, you can still get into to this spread. And remember, if you are watching video apart from right now, then you might regard this as or you might just ignore the information that I'm just giving on the GBP because it I'm just saying that if you get notified that I upload a video right now, or you do your analysis first before you get in for the buy. With me personally, we are already in the buy, me and my students, which we already took this trade. So those are the things that you need to understand, and those are the things that you have to check out whenever time you are getting for a buy also on each pair. So thank you very much for watching. Yo, my friend, thank you very much for checking on us. And if you made it up to the end of this video, Thank you very much, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe icon so you can subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever time I upload a video to YouTube, you will be the first person to be notified that I upload a video to YouTube. And don't forget also to subscribe to our Telegram channel, because I do share a lot of analysis. As you can see, this GBP JPY and GBP USD, it was a free trade that I sent to a free channel as well. And if you want to get into any trade that I'm taking, me personally, you have to be a student and you have to join our premium channel. That one is just an optional, and there's a free channel for you, but that one, it is free, and you can just click under it will redirect you to the channel. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to also follow us on Instagram, so that we will be connected on each platform that we are in also. So once more again, I'm still Israel the Trader. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.